Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to carry 2 bags in Notoriety. First, you must understand your game's inventory system, including available slots and any weight restrictions. Prioritize the most valuable items to ensure you are maximizing your potential profit. Always be mindful of the movement penalties that come with carrying additional weight, as this can significantly impact your gameplay. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective dual bag management. Efficiently managing your 2 bags is key to success. Try to distribute the weight as evenly as possible between them to maintain balance and avoid unnecessary encumbrance. Always place your most essential tools and consumables in quick-access inventory slots for immediate use. Furthermore, utilize any item stacking mechanics your game offers to consolidate similar items, freeing up precious space for more loot. This smart organization will greatly enhance your operational efficiency. Navigating the environment with 2 bags requires careful consideration. You should expect a noticeable reduction in your movement speed and an increased rate of stamina consumption. Therefore, it is crucial to plan your escape routes and movements well in advance, accounting for your slower pace. Whenever possible, avoid direct confrontations with adversaries, as your reduced agility makes you a more vulnerable target. Stealth and strategic positioning become even more vital. Finally, always weigh the risk versus reward of carrying 2 bags. While more loot means more profit, it also significantly increases your exposure to danger. Be prepared to make tough decisions. Sometimes, discarding less valuable items to regain speed and agility is the smarter play. Always prioritize securing the contents of your primary bag first, then focus on the secondary. This strategic approach helps maximize your gains while minimizing potential losses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.